Hello everyone and welcome back. News headlines in English to speak in the school morning assembly of 14th July. And first of all, national news. President Murmu to visit Bhubaneswar and Cuttack for 2 days starting Monday. IIT Goa held 6th convocation. Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan joined virtually. President Murmu nominated 4 prominent personalities to Rajya Sabha. PM Modi congratulated eminent personalities nominated to Rajya Sabha by President. ASEAN India Synergy Key to Indo-Pacific Vision, Union Minister Pabitra Margherita. Railways to install CCTV cameras in 74,000 coaches, 15,000 locomotives for safety. Now international news. Russia and China discussed Ukraine war and ties with the United States. EU-Indonesia strike political agreement to advance free trade deal. North Korea warned of military action against any threats from US, Japan, South Korea. France said Australia defense ties repaired after submarine row. India joined bilateral military exercise in Australia. And now news related to business. Indian Bank handed over sanction letters worth 1,011 crore rupees to over 3,000 women. IIFL Home Finance got $100 million from AIIB. Mercedes-Benz India Mills price hike by 1 to 1.5% in September. Now sports news. Indian women versus England women. Shefali Verma 75 goes in vain. India lost 5th T20 International win series 3-2. Iga Swiatek defeated Amanda Anisimova to win her first Wimbledon title. West Indies took honours on first day of day-night third test against Australia. And that's all in news. Thank you.